So we are back from our walk to set, and as you see, like the clouds are so pretty. I love watching the sunset. Right now we are on page 160, and I'm excited. It's like drizzling right now, so that feels really good. And I'm enjoying this book so much, y'all. Like I said, why didn't y'all tell me to read this sooner? This is like such an easy 5-star. Who knew that Colleen Hoover could write like Lisa Jewell? Like, I had to keep thinking, like, is this a Lisa Jewell book? Come on now. I'm really loving it. I'm actually, frankly enough, I relate to Verity about these kids. Like, I don't know. I wouldn't do what she did extremely, but I understand her thinking, I guess. I don't know. Not the jealousy part, but like just, I don't know. But anyways, this is such a good book, and then I'm loving that we kind of get 2 stories in one. Like, that's crazy. And it's funny that we're reading Verity's autobiography with Lowen. I think that's so cool because the reaction she's having is the same reactions that I'm having. And I think Crew is such a cute kid. Like, I usually don't like kids in books, but I feel like Colleen Hoover writes children immaculately and so charmingly that I don't mind it. Like, I really enjoyed, I forgot what the little girl's name was, and maybe Grace, I don't know, but in Reminders of Him, that daughter was so cute. So she writes little kids really good. But anyways, yeah, I'm just enjoying this book. I'm hopefully going to be finished by tonight. That way I can start on, you guys guessed it, another Lisa Jewell book. I thought I was done, but that darn library added another Lisa Jewell book to their catalog, and I was like, I thought I was done. I made a whole Lisa Jewell guide that you guys can watch. I really thought I was finished, but no, I was not. So hopefully I can finish this and the Lisa Jewell book by Friday, the end of June, so that way I can start reading Mist and Fury and the Akhtar series in July. I already have my TBR planned because we went to the library, so my TBR for July. But yes, I'm thoroughly enjoying this book, you guys. It's an easy 5 stars. Yeah, it's creepy. It's giving me spice. Yeah, it gives me the chills while I read it. So, yeah. We went on our walk and we got some more popcorn. We're like obsessed with popcorn now. It's crazy. I mean, I always liked popcorn, but it's so cool because they have like these cheesy powder popcorn that you could pop in the microwave. Oh my gosh, it's so good. But yeah, I'm just loving this book so much. I'm kind of sad that it's a library book now because I really wish that it was mine, that it was my book. Because I don't want to return it. It's so good. Definitely, I think it makes it even that much better because it's a Colleen Hoover book. Like, you wouldn't expect this from her, which makes it 10 times better. It's just, I love it. It's just so pretty. But yeah, guys, Verity, she is disturbing. Like, She's obsessive, compulsive. She has jealousy. It's just like I don't want to spoil it, but yeah, she's wild.